Hi guys, this is LRC31. This is the antibacterial spray. This will work on anything. It doesn't have to be leather for this to work. It will work on fabrics, hard surfaces. It'll even work in like bathrooms, toilets, anywhere like that. As long as it's a surface, antibacterial spray can be used. Door handles and things getting in and out of offices, loos, bathrooms, etc. It can be used on all of them. Application is very, very simple with the antibacterial spray. It's a very, very simple product to use. It has like a little lock here that you can see. You can move that left or right, which will enable the trigger to be opened. When it's shut and it's in the center, as you can see, the trigger is locked, which is great for transportation or for keeping in your cupboard. So simply move that left or right, and again, the trigger works. So you would spray that onto the surface. Nice even coats would be sprayed on of LRC31 antibacterial spray. Allow that for a couple of minutes to penetrate into the surface, and then either using a soft sponge or a soft cloth, wipe away any excess to leave this antibacterial coating on the surface, helping with germs and cold transfer and stuff like that, from cold and flu and things like that. So it's going to be a fantastic product to use all the time, especially if you've got something like property lets where you want to go in and do a deep clean on furniture and door handles when other clients have been in there and had the holiday home for a short period of time. Go in, deep clean, and put the antibacterial coating on there to help stop the transfer of germs and diseases going forward. That is LRC31 antibacterial spray. Get it from the website today, leatherrepaircompany.com.